I'm going to make out of beef inside skirts. I'm going to do a marinade for it. This is a teriyaki marinade. It calls for 25 pounds of meat. Just happen to have 25 pounds of meat. First, I'm going to make the seasoning up for it. Always use as cold a water as you can. See, I've got some ice water here. I'm going to measure it out in here. It's calling for ounces. I need 24 ounces. I have the timer on the HVT-30 already set up for 20 minutes. I'm going to spin it at about 50% of what its speed is. Main thing is just to make sure you pick up all of the marinade and don't let it fall back out again. Alright, I'm going to make a chicken breast marinade. We're going to be using, this is AC leg, we're going to use a butter garlic marinade for it. We've got 20 pounds of meat. This blend is made for 25 pounds, so I'm taking 80% of the seasoning. I'm going to use 10% water in it. So I've got 2 pounds of water, ice water already weighed out for it. I'm going to pull the vacuum on it. Now what the vacuum does to it, does two different things. First it does, as it's rotating when it's tumbling, you won't get any foaming with it. The most important part is after the bird is processed, it goes into pre-rigor, the muscle gets real firm, and it doesn't want to take any moisture. When you pull a vacuum on it, that relaxes that rigor, and it helps in aiding and getting the marinade to go into the meat. Once it is in there, it stays there. See, on this one, there's no moisture in there. It's already absorbed it all. We're still going to tumble it some more to make sure that it stays in.
No. This is one of the reviews that I ran with the last class.
Just get a good picture of that. See how much difference there is just in the thickness from here and from here. And I'm not even done tumbling it yet.